Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Maya who had a big dream of becoming a professional dancer. Maya practiced every day and dedicated herself to improving her skills, but she faced many challenges along the way. At times, Maya felt discouraged and thought about giving up. However, she remembered why she started dancing in the first place and the joy it brought her. Maya decided to push through her obstacles and keep pursuing her dream. Years went by, and Maya became an incredible dancer. She traveled the world and performed on some of the biggest stages. Maya's hard work and dedication had paid off, and she achieved her dream. Maya's story teaches us that no matter how hard things may seem, we should never give up on our dreams. With perseverance and a positive attitude, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve great things. So always keep your head up and keep pushing forward, because